Hello everyone, this video is in continuation to our videos on human reproduction. In this video we'll talk about the oestrus cycle or the estrus cycle. We have discussed about the menstrual cycle. For the main difference between oestrus cycle and the menstrual cycle is that oestrus cycle, it takes place in it does not take place in primates. It is a heat period and basically takes place in the seasonal breeders. Fine. So estrus cycle occurs in seasonal breeders. Fine. Seasonal breeders, we have already discussed this topic. What are seasonal breeders? Name the organisms which are seasonal breeders, like for example cats, dogs and all. The ones which do not reproduce throughout the year, they have a specific span of reproductive cycle. When the females become receptive and the process of reproduction takes place. Fine. So it takes place in the seasonal breeders, and herein the reproductive phase is very small. Fine. It's not throughout the year, it's very small. For example, as small as in cow, it is only 18 hours. Fine. So what happens during this reproductive phase? What changes which takes place during reproductive phase? The females are receptive, plus it's also called heat phase, and the process of fertilization takes place during this phase. We have already discussed what changes which occur in seasonal breeders during the oestrus phase or the heat phase. The testes descend out, and the females become receptive, the copulation can take place, and finally the reproduction. So that's known as the heat phase, the small phase. But there are three categories of animals on the basis of oestrus cycle: monoestrus, biestrus and polyestrus. Monoestrus are the ones which have one estrus phase or reproductive phase. Estrus phase, example deer. By two estrus cycles, example dogs and cats. And polyestrus having many estrus cycles, example rats and guinea pigs. Fine. So these are the organisms wherein biestrus means the oestrus cycle or this reproductive phase will come in two estrus cycles per year. One estrus cycle per year. Fine. Every year and per year. Fine. So these are the three categories of animals on the basis of the time period during which the estrus cycle is there. Now the main differences between estrus cycle and menstrual cycle. First is the estrus cycle. It takes place in all the animals except primates. All animals except primates. And herein it takes place in primates. During estrus cycle there is no bleeding. During menstrual there is bleeding. During estrus cycle the endometrium, the uterine wall, is reabsorbed. Matlab, it's not passed out as it occurs in menstruation. During the menstrual phase, during menstruation, the uterus lining is shed off. But herein, in oestrus cycle, it is reabsorbed back into the uterus. And in menstrual cycle, the lining sheds off. Fine. So these are the differences between the oestrus and the estrus and the menstrual cycle. So this completes our estrus cycle, the main characteristic features and difference between estrus and menstrual cycle. From our next video we'll start with fertilization. So keep liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.